Hello, this is Dr. Jason Kennedy. Welcome to the first in this series, Jason's French Fast. The goal here is to get you speaking French from the very first lesson. With me are my two French friends Claire and Jacques. They will be speaking all the French in this lesson, so you can hear an authentic accent. Most important, when I ask you to speak in French, and I'm going to be asking you a lot, you must say it out loud. Don't just think it. Also, it will help if you pretend that you are a French person when you speak, as it will help you to get the accent right. Now is your chance to be Brigitte Bardot or Gerard Depardieu. Just don't be Marcel Marceau. You need to speak. Let's head over to the classroom and get started. We will be using this magic chalkboard to show some of the text of what you are learning. Let's get started. First, some expressions used in the classroom. This is how to say, sit down.
Asseyez-vous.
Asseyez-vous.
Your turn. How do you say, sit down?
Asseyez-vous.
Good. This is how to say, the class is starting.
La classe commence.
La classe commence.
How do you say, the class is starting?
La classe commence.
Excellent. This is how to say, don't read.
Ne lisez pas.
Ne lisez pas.
Say, don't read.
Ne lisez pas.
Now say, sit down.
Asseyez-vous.
Well done. This is how to say, I cannot hear you.
Je ne vous entends pas.
Je ne vous entends pas.
Say, I cannot hear you.
Je ne vous entends pas.
Now say, the class is starting.
La classe commence.
Nice. Here is, I don't understand you.
Je ne vous comprends pas.
Je ne vous comprends pas.
Say, I don't understand you.
Je ne vous comprends pas.
Say, I cannot hear you.
Je ne vous entends pas.
Here is, you are late.
Vous êtes en retard.
Vous êtes en retard.
Say, you are late.
Vous êtes en retard.
Now say, sit down.
Asseyez-vous.
Listen. Here is, listen to the sentence.
Écoutez la phrase.
Écoutez la phrase.
Say, listen to the sentence.
Écoutez la phrase.
Say, don't read.
Ne lisez pas.
And say, I don't understand you.
Je ne vous comprends pas.
And lastly, here is, speak louder.
Parlez plus fort.
Parlez plus fort.
Say, speak louder.
Parlez plus fort.
Say, speak louder. I cannot hear you.
Parlez plus fort. Je ne vous entends pas.
Parlez plus fort. Je ne vous entends pas.
Congratulations! How did it go? Learning a new language is a serious commitment, but it can be fun and rewarding. Don't be afraid to rewind and listen again if you need to. Be sure to click the subscribe link to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified when there are new lessons. Also, check out the links down below for more information and learning tools. See you next time for Lesson 2.